Promoting your Fiverr affiliate link involves strategic marketing and content creation to drive traffic and referrals. Create valuable content. Develop informative content related to Fiverr services, freelancing tips, or success stories. Share this content on blogs, social media, YouTube, or your website. Review and recommendations. Write in-depth reviews of Fiverr services or create recommendation lists for specific tasks. Highlight the benefits and showcase examples to attract potential users. Utilize social media. Share your affiliate link on platforms where your target audience is active. Craft engaging posts, videos, or stories that encourage users to click your link. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters, guides, or exclusive offers related to Fiverr services. Include your affiliate link where relevant. Utilize paid advertising. Consider using paid ads on platforms like Google Ads or social media to target audiences interested in freelancing or specific Fiverr services. Use compelling ad copy and visuals to attract clicks. Engage with communities. Participate in forums, groups, or communities related to freelancing or online business. Share your expertise and subtly mention your affiliate link where appropriate. Offer incentives. Provide special offers, discounts, or bonuses for users who sign up through your affiliate link. This encourages conversions. Track and optimize. Use tracking tools to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Analyze which strategies drive the most clicks and conversions and optimize accordingly.